Hello everyone. Today I am going to present our project titled A Student Monitoring System, an innovative solution designed to enhance classroom management, improve learning outcomes, and support both students and teachers through the power of artificial intelligence. In the modern classes, teachers often face challenges such as lack of attendance, irregular attendance, difficult in tracking student engagement, and limited visibility into students' performance. Traditional methods of monitoring students like manual roll calls or direct supervision or time consuming, inaccurate, and not scalable in large classrooms. To overcome these challenges, we have developed an AI-based monitoring system that brings automation, accuracy, and intelligence into the learning environment. Our system uses computer vision, machine learning, and data analytics to continuously monitor student activities in a non-elegant and efficient way. The first component is face recognition based attendance, where automatically identifies and marks students present in the class. This eliminates the need for manual attendance and ensures that records are accurate and real time. The second component in students' engagement detection, using video input from classroom cameras, the system analyzes whether students are attentive, distracted, drowsy, or not facing the board. This helps teachers understand engagement levels instantly and take corrective action when needed. Additionally, the system can identify usually or unsafe behavior in the classroom, such as student leaving the room without permission or any form of misbehavior. Another major part of this system is performance analytics. The system stores attendance data, engagement levels, and active logs and transform them into meaningful insights. Teachers can view dashboard showing which students are consistently attentive, which students need supports, and how oral participation is over time. These insights enable teachers to personalize their approach, provide extra help where required, and improve the overall learning experience. For a technical perspective, our project integrates AI frameworks such as OpenCV for video tasks, deep learning models for the face recognition, and classification algorithm for detecting student attendance. These models are trained on the datasets. Backend stores all the data securely, while the frontend provides easy visualization for faculty members. The benefit of this system are significantly for the teachers. It saves times, reduces manual workload, and improves classroom control. For students, it encourages consistent attendance, improving consistency. And coming to our dashboard, this is our dashboard. For the students' perspective, when there is an option called register and login page. This is the student login page, and this is a student registration page where he can register and proceed to the photo capture where you can see it in the dashboard. Here we can log in with their credentials, and this is a dashboard that it will look like where there will be a profile photo with his or her name and his or her hall ticket number, batch number. and participation summary overall the period, and you can see the attendance by subject wise. And here the available quizzes where a participant can participate in any quiz. It will show with the score percentage and completed date and number of questions or which subject it is. And here the important thing about the reports where he or her, his or her can see their reports here by providing the AI or a teacher can provide their inputs where you can see this is a teacher provided the record where attendance shows her presence out of 4. This is what the student can see from the dashboard. Here we can see this is a marking attendance physics, chemistry, computer, English, or he can mark his attendance by over here. Where if you click on the live classes, it will take you to the live class where if a teacher give a live class in a laptop, so he can attend over here. You can just clicking by start camera, you can get started. But this is all about the student dashboard. When once you log out, you can log into the teacher's dashboard where you can see all the students' participation and all the quizzes in it, where a teacher can register over here with their teacher ID and teacher name and teacher subject or what teacher is going to teach and his designation, phone number and password, where all he can use here. The student ID you have to enter. If the credentials are goes right, it will log in into the dashboard. This is what a teacher can see from over here, where he can see his profile name, his name, and overview. These are the students that are registered for it. He can see once if a teacher click on a view option over the student name or certificate number, this is what a teacher can see over is a profile name, branch, phone number. Well, it is a AI behavior summary. AI also can generate a summary for a student. This is what in the past live session going on, where it analyze latest enhancement analysis over here. The overall, for example, if a students are attended early, this will show emotion state is happy, eye gaze on screen, height pose upright, body pose upright. This will show when the student attended in the live class. If a teacher want to submit a new report without a generating AI summary, a teacher can submit over here, and a teacher can see yeah, the past records, what he given and what the AI given. This will show as well as in the student dashboard also. And when participation comes with the exams and his attendance and all over. If a teacher want to create an assignment or a quiz, he can click over here by the creating the quiz. Yeah, here he can create a quiz with a quiz title and subject and how many questions he want to give, he can give over here and save it. It will automatically redirect it to the student's dashboard where he can participate. A student can participate in a quiz with for a participation summary. So after that, if a teacher want to know how many students have participated in the quiz, just click on quiz analytics where a teacher can see how many students have participated in that quiz and have an idea how many students are in active mode. Here we can see the results of students. Where you can see for the subject computer science, there is total number of questions are one, class average is one. Only one student has participated with a score of 100%. So this type of analytics, quiz analytics, he can see by student. If you want his attendance analytics over the participation, he can see by the attendance analytics. This is he can see how many students have the percentage in subject wise and daily attendance heat map over here. This is what AI students will provide. This is what AI students provide. In conclusion, this will be helpful for the laptop in future where student can have a brief idea about the classrooms. There is no workload for the teachers with taking of manual attendance and participation summary. A teacher can analyze what actually the student is, where he can active in the class or not. Well, he can identify that. So it will be helpful for the students as well as the teachers. So in future, we will see this kind of projects and implementations. This will helpful for the organizations or universities or if we want to change it to the some any other work, we can do that. Thank you.